So Hare Krishna, today the 5th of October 2020 and our Nityam Bhagavad Seva is going on by the Master Srila Prabhupada. Today we'll be taking from text 12 onwards of chapter 11 of 3rd Canto, which is entitled Calculation of Time from the Atom. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udiraye. Nasuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhakti Bhavati Nashtuki. Hare Krishna. Text 1. Ayani chahani prahu vatsaro dvadasa smritaha samvatsarashatam nirnam paramayo nirupitam. Ayane, in the solar movement of 6 months. Cha and Ahani, a day of the demigods. Prahu, it is said. Vatsaraha, 1 calendar year. Dvadasa, 12 months. Smritaha is so called. Samvatsarasatam, 100 years. Nirnam, of human beings. Parama ayuhu, duration of life. Nirupitam is estimated. Translation by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. 2 solar movements make one day and night of the demigods. Please put the mics off. 2 solar movements make one day and night of the demigods. And that combination of the day and night is 1 complete calendar year for the human beings. The human being has a duration of life of 100 years. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshmandamenam Tasmai Sri Gurve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manovistam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupakata Mayam Dadati Supatantikam Pandeyaham Sri Guru Shita Patagamanam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Sa Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadutam Pradjana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Pitam Cha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanushuti Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Veshagripa Sindhuvaye Vacha Padita Nama Pavani Vaishnavevi Namo Namo. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimate Japataka Swami Niti Namane Namaho. Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pradayane Gaura Katha Damadaya Nagaragrama Tarune. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namane. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyadade Satarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Ayani chahani prahu vatsaro dvadasa smritaha samvatsarashatam nirnam paramayur nirupitam. Furthermore, Sage Maitreya is enlightening Vidura. He says, 2 solar movement, Uttarayana Dakshinayana, make one day and night of demigods. It means 6 months, our 6 months they have the day and our 6 months they have the night. And that combination of the day and night is one complete calendar year for the human being. And their day and night is complete 1 year of ours. That combination of day and night is one complete calendar year of the human beings. Oh boy. The human beings has a duration of life for 100 years. Now Srimad Bhagavatam says 100 years. Some of you might say, we have not seen people living for 100 years. Well, there are exceptions, more than 100. So I'm just, manipulating. I'm saying this 100 years isn't an average. And nowadays, because of so many abortions are going on, if you take their life also or the number in the account, then you will find out it might come somewhere to 100 years of living. But what to do? And the 100 years doesn't matter whether somebody lives 100 years or more or less. How he has lived those years, that really counts. How we have utilized those years, that's what counts. Divyajivi and Dirghajivi. It's not a big thing to have a long span of life. Troublesome, of course. But Divyajivi, till lives short, but with purpose. So that's what the aim of human life, that's what Prabhupada has struggled so much in his life to make it possible to deliver this message to the human society at large, that living with purpose is must. Otherwise, ahara nidra, bhayamaithunam cha, samanyetat pasuvinaraanam, dharmo hitesham adhiko visheshu, dharmena hina pasuvi samana. It is dharma that distinguishes us from the pasuhu. Vishesha. And dharma means service to the Lord for his satisfaction. So the human beings have 100 years of life. Text 13. Grahakshara tara chakras Grahakshara chakrastaha Paramana vadina jagat Sammat saravasanena Paritya nimisho vivuhu. Graha, influential planets like the moon, Raksha, luminaries like Ashwani, Tara, stars, Chakrastaha, in the orbit, Parama, Anu, Adina, along with the atoms, Jagat, the entire universe, Sammatsara avasanena, by the end of 1 year. Prayeti completes its orbits. Animi Saha, the eternal time. Vivuhu, the Almighty. Translation and purport also here. Influential stars, planets, luminaries, and atoms all over the universe are rotating in their respective orbits under the direction of the Supreme, represented by the eternal Kala. Maya Dhekshena Prakritiya Suete Sacharachara. Prabhupada says in purport. In the Brahma Samhita, it is stated that the sun is the eye of the Supreme and it rotates in its particular orbit of time. Similarly, beginning from the sun down to the moon atom, all bodies are under the influence of the Kala Chakra or the orbit of eternal time. And each of them has a scheduled orbital time of 1 Samvatsara. Everything has a time. Let us say you buy a beautiful shirt. It has a life. Though it is not living, right? or you buy a beautiful curtain, or a sofa, or a cot, or whatever it is. Everything has a life. So you cannot say because they are nirjiva, so therefore they have no life. Everything has a life. And nowadays scientists have also understood. It's called a self-life or guarantee. What is the guarantee? Guarantee of this much. So everything that is here in the material world is covered by time, under the supervision of Lord Sri Krishna, under the supervision of Kala Shakti. Everything has a time. Whatever you have, after some time, it destroys its particular shape and turns into another shape, like kashtaha, like wood. The wood, when it is in the tree, it has a different purpose. When it serves the people, different purpose. When kashta, it becomes the wood, dry wood, you can burn it, it becomes the coal. Coal has some other utility, crush them, and finishes everything. So the shape keeps changing, and everything under the time. And mind you, so every one of us also the time. And Srimad Bhagavatam says, Sharpa Krashta. We are in the jaws of the Sarpa, representing time. And Sarpa has one very nice thing. Sarpa, when he tries to take something, he cannot vomit. It just goes inside. Sarpa Grasta. No escape. So we are in the Sarpa, the time, the Kala of the Lord Sri Krishna. And this Kala also called the Krishna Sharpaha, means the black serpent. Krishna Sharpaha, black serpent. So every end of the jaws, like we give an example. You suppose there is a butcher. He has hung one goat for cutting, and another goat just nearby, enjoying, fighting, eating leaves, and talking among themselves, thinking that the chance will never come. Sarpagrastaha. Similarly, every human being, anything in the material world, whatever object you may have, inanimate or inanimate, it is being controlled by the time. And Prabhupada said it, influenced by Kala Chakra. Chakra means which rotates. Or we say, the example given of the Grahata. There are two parts of the Grahata, and then it rubs, and wheat goes over there and comes out as a powder or a wheat flour. So it's called a Kala Chakra. So we have to understand, we are also in the influence of Kala. Therefore, time is short. Let us get involved in the bhakti, perfect the life of existence, help others. Text 14. Samvatsaraha parivatsaraha idavatsara evacha anuvatsaro vatsarashaha rasha vidureva pravashate. Samvatsaraha, orbit of the sun. Parivatsaraha, circumambulation of Brihaspati. Idavatsaraha, orbit of the star. Eva, they are. Cha, also. Anuvatsaraha, orbit of the moon. Vatsaraha, one calendar year. Cha, also. Vidura, Vidura. Evam, thus. Prabhashyate, they are so told. Translation and purport is also here. There are 5 different names for the orbits of the sun, moon, star and luminary rays in the firmament, and they each have their own samvatsara. Purpose is the subject matter of physics, chemistry, mathematics, astronomy, time and space dealt with in above verses of Srimad Bhagavatam are certainly very interesting to students of particular subject. But as far as we are concerned, we cannot explain them very thoroughly in terms of technical knowledge. The subject is summarized by the statement that above all, the different branches of the knowledge is the supreme controller, Kala. The planetaries representative of the supreme person of Godhead. Nothing exists without him, and therefore everything, however wonderful it may appear to our meager knowledge, is but the work of the magical wand of the Supreme Lord. As far as time is concerned, we beg to subjoin herewith a table of the timings in terms of the modern clock. Prabhupada has written, 1 through T is 8 by 13,500 seconds. 1 Veda, 8 by 135 seconds. 1 Lava, 8 by 45 seconds. 1 Nimesha, 8 by 15 seconds. 1 Kshana, 8 by 5 seconds. 1 Kasta is about 8 seconds. 1 Lagu is about 2 minutes. 1 Danda about 30 minutes. 1 Pahara, Prahara, yes. Prahara, actually. 3 hours. 1 day, 12 hours. 1 night, 12 hours. 1 Paksha, 15 days. 2 Paksha comprises 1 month. And 12 months comprises 1 calendar year. And 1 full orbit of the sun. A human being is expected to live up to 100 years. Oh, Prabhupada has categorically said. Up to. It could be much less than that, but up to. Huh? That is the way of controlling, measuring of the eternal time. And the Brahma Samhita 5.52 affirms this control in this way. Yakshakshu esha shavita sakala grahanam raja samasta suramurti asesa tejaha yashyagnaya brahmati samvrata kala chakro govindam adi purusham tamaham bhajami. By the way, tomorrow we are reading the Brahma Samhita. So Prabhupada is saying, read Brahma Samhita. Huh? So it is for tomorrow. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, the supreme person of Godhead, under whose control even the sun, which is considered to be the eye of the Lord, rotates within the fixed orbit of eternal time. The sun is the king of all planetary system and has unlimited potency in heat and light. Okay, I think, yeah, I can take the text 15 also. Yaha srijya shaktim uruddho chavashayan swashakteya pumso brahmaya dividhavati bhutaveda kalakhyaya gunamaya kratur vibhartanvam tasmai balam harata vasa panchakaya. Yaha, one who, Srijya, of creation, Shaktim, the seed, Uruddha, in various ways, Uchava Shayana, invigorating, Swashakteya, by his own energy, Pumsaha, of the living entity, Abramaya, to dissipate darkness, Divi, during the daytime, Dhavati, moves, Bhutavedaha, distinct from the other material forms, Kala Akhyaya, by the name of eternal time, Gunamayam, the material result, Kratuvihi, by offering, Vitan, one, enlarging, Tamasai, unto him, Balim, ingredients of offering, Harata, one should offer, Vatsara, Panchakaya, offering every 5 years. Translation. O Vidura, the sun illumines all living entities with his unlimited heat and light. He diminishes the duration of life of all living entities in order to release them from their illusion of material attachment. And he enlarges the path of elevation to the heavenly kingdom. He thus moves in the firmament with a great velocity, and therefore everyone should offer him respects once every 5 years with all ingredients of the worship. So because the people may be very lazy, so at least once in 5 years. It seems that speed of the sun is 16,000 miles per second. He has one half on the Mount Meru, and he has axle one on the Mount Meru, and he has only one wheel, and he goes around the Mount Meru, round and round, and the round is 16,000 miles per second. If my information is wrong, I read long back. So this way, we are trying to understand that what the time is, and the time waits no one. Everyone waits for the time, but time waits for no one. And therefore, lucky we are at utilizing the little time at our disposal. Even is एक घड़ी आधी में पुनिया करे जो संगत साधु की हरे कोटि कोटि अपराध. So even little endeavor, small endeavor, trayate mahto bhayat. If somebody just enter into this kind of thing, then he will be saved from the greatest danger. And what is the greatest danger? Adho gacchati tamasa madhye tishnati rajasa, or urdham gacchati sattvasa. Even staying in the material world without the association of the Vaishnavas and without service of Krishna is actually useless. Though we may feel we have enjoyment, we have material prosperity, we are very intelligent, we have swim our way up to this, the place that we have made for us, we may be very proud of it. But he says, very nice dua is there by Kabir Das. I forgot this. Ashtadasa, no, it's by Ved Vyas. Ashtadasa Puraneshu Vyasasya Vachanam Dvayam Paropakaraya Punyaya Papaya Parapidanam. So let us make sure that by our deed, by our words, by our action, we do not hurt anybody. For any reason maybe. Even at the cause that we are suffering. But we should make sure I am suffering because of my own deeds. Why should I make this attempt for others to go through this? Vaishnava jan ko tene kahiye pir parai jane re. Vaishnava is the one who can understand the pain, the suffering, the anxieties others are feeling. So he doesn't care for himself. So this is the way we can conduct our lives. It's easy, isn't it? What do you do? Log in time, log out in time. Get up in the morning, do your chanting. Even if you don't want to, just do it. Force yourself. So it is not the power that you have. It's the power of the Nama. It's not your power. It's the power of the Nama. And the Nama is Krishna, Rama, Hare. Hare is the energy of Krishna. And the energy of Krishna invoked 8 times. So powerful. And anybody who has developed the love for that, or interest for that, he has really become Mahatma. And Sahamahatma Sudurlabha. Everybody cannot chant, mind you. There are 7 billion people. How many are chanting? Not even 0.1%. Isn't it? So aren't we Mahatmas? So retain it. The Upadhi of Mahatma. We are not saying it, Krishna is saying it. So with this, I'll come to finish my talk. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.